Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Have you ever found yourself pondering the distinction between an AI product and an AI feature? In the tech realm, understanding the disparity between AI products and features is crucial. The terminology can often lead to confusion, so let's unravel this mystery together. When it comes to AI products, think of them as standalone entities with their own functionality and marketability. These are like the superheroes of the AI world, offering unique capabilities that can revolutionize industries. On the other hand, AI features are like sidekicks, components integrated within a larger product, serving a specific purpose to enhance the overall experience. Now, here's the key moment. Let's illustrate the disparity between AI products and features with real-world examples and compelling case studies. Imagine AI products as cutting-edge autonomous vehicles, like Tesla's self-driving cars, showcasing the power of AI in a standalone form. On the flip side, AI features are like the voice assistants we use daily, such as Siri or Alexa, embedded within our devices to make our lives easier. This distinction is crucial because it helps us navigate the complex AI landscape effectively. By recognizing the differences between AI products and features, we can better understand how AI is integrated into our lives and industries. It's like having a map to guide us through the vast world of artificial intelligence. In summary, AI products stand alone, offering unique functionalities, while AI features are embedded within larger products, serving specific functions. Remember, the devil is in the details when it comes to AI terminology, so pay attention to these distinctions to stay ahead in the AI game. As we wrap up, remember the importance of understanding the nuances between AI products and features. Feel free to explore more AI-related content on our channel and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your engagement enriches our community and sparks insightful discussions. Cheers to unraveling the mysteries of AI together.